This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 11, While Loops, Part 5, Debug Console Variable Values. Up until now, if you wanted to find a value of a variable at some point in the execution of a program, we've used console log. That is still going to be a great strategy, but the debug console can do even more for us. Check this out. We can check the value of a variable in real time as our program executes by typing the name into the prompt within the debug console and hitting enter down here. This is another powerful tool for debugging your program. Run the program. Use the debug console to check. Oh, they're writing it directly in the console. Use the debug console to check the ending value of num, as you can do this by typing num into the debug console and hitting enter. Type num, it's 6. And I think num, oh look, it's 6 again, and it will always be. Cool, that's pretty handy. Let's keep going.